What is up? It's the Cosmic.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Welcome back, everybody. This is the Cosmic, and I am coming at y'all with my afternoon scan. What I'm looking at for possible swings overnight. Any nice little beautiful short squeezes like KODK did today. And if y'all haven't seen KODK and what they've done, holy crap, super big short squeeze from yesterday morning. They started at $2 and they ran all the way to 60, and they're on their way back down. I do see it going back down to at least 5 eventually. It's just a low float runner supernova. And this is the same pattern that happens all the time. And as you see, it's the pre-run up right here, the fake out pump right here, where it squeezed out the beginning shorts and got more shorts interested, and then the supernova. Cliff dive, bounce, and eventual death. So we'll see it. I'm not very hopeful for it, but anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show y'all what I'm looking at for tomorrow for either overnight swings or another one of these short squeezes. And the first one we're going to start with is KNDI Technologies Group, KNDI. As you can see, they're running and they're about to break out in the after hours. If I didn't have all my liquidity already locked up, I would be getting in this one right now. And so what I typically like to do is I will look at this and I will go to E-Trade, get all logged on and everything. Then you can see, yeah, I'm down a little bit today because I'm doing a long hold on KODK for a couple of puts, which I'm not going to freak out about those. I mean, it's not a long, quote unquote long, but August 21st, I do not expect this to stay up as high as it is. So what we're going to do is KNDI, KNDI Technologies Group, and if I am going to be looking for the next supernova, especially for tomorrow, which I do believe that this has a potential of going supernova tomorrow because of the float. It's $37 million float, and it's a hot sector. It's EV, it's electronic vehicle play. And we can see right here that Candy's Auto Evolution for All campaign starts with August 18 live virtual launch event to kick off pre-sales, allowing customers to put fully refundable $100 deposit down on K27, K23 models available for delivery in Q4 2020. And it's them releasing their cars, their electronic vehicles. So I do expect this to keep squeezing. I can see this hit 15 by the end of the night, honestly. Whenever I say by the end of the night, by 8 o'clock Eastern time, I can see this at $15. And what I like to do, honestly, is I like to look at its option chain. I like to see what we got going on here. And option chain is looking pretty good. Everything is already up though, so tomorrow we might see some more options be put out. Like you see, this one was put out for 10. So right now they're all a little too expensive for me. If we get some more options put out tomorrow, then that'll be something I'll kind of look at to see if I can take one. But otherwise, it's looking like a straight cash option. Next is Home, HOME, and all right, so this was a spike off earnings. Don't chase this. I mean, it did run. It's mid to low float. It could run again, especially if you sit here and you look at the actual earnings. Net income, I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. The Estimates total liquidity of more than 208 million, including approximately 33 million proceeds in sale leaseback transactions. An increase of approximately 42%. I mean, so that's really good numbers. I don't like chasing spikes, but this does look like the pullback if you are wanting to chase the spike. I don't like earnings spikes, but it definitely could run again. Let's look at their next one. 18% running SLRX. Dead. Don't even care about that. They did an offering. They did an offering and it spiked. That's funny. That's hilarious. So next, UONEK. Meh. I'm not really digging that price action either. But it is another earnings play. So you're going to see the pattern here is earnings. A lot of people are playing it's earnings season, my guys. Let's look at LSB Industry, LXU. And they're actually just started running, just coming down off a dip. So this would be something that I would be piquing my interest to see the price actions afterwards. And it's earnings again. Mobile, MOBL. It had earnings as well, and it's spiked and died. But it's still up $1 off those earnings. So we'll look at one more. CLRB. Clinical data, granted European patent number. So it's a patent winner from earlier today. So actually that was at 9. It shows 9 for me, so it'll probably be 10 right here. About 10:14, and it's just died all day. Looks like the news is finally catching up with it. It is a low float stock. It could run, but it's patent news, so we can see it go either way. Right now, we're seeing it take off. I would expect it to kind of keep running, especially tomorrow. I could see it running. So let's look at one more. DXYN. DXYN, what's their current volume? This is 49. It's Q2 earnings, another earnings call. And that's what you're going to see. Almost all these are going to be earnings calls. Blink charging. Okay. All right. Well, this is charging stations for electric vehicles. This is going to be a nice runner for tomorrow as well. This is an overnight hold for me. Almost 100%. This would be a second green day runner. So honestly, let's look at it. Let's look at BLNK. I'll be getting Tastyworks eventually for my options trading, but right now I'm using mainly E-Trade. All right, I mean, they're not terribly priced options. Not at all. All right, awesome. Well, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But with that, folks, thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah, as you can see, my Robinhood challenge, we're down $1, or not even $1. Yeah, we're down $1 today, but it's all right. We're going to keep holding this space put, just like my other space puts, because I do believe that space is just it's going down. It was way too overextended on the upside, and it's just about time for it to decease. And it's not even showing the updated price here. Got KODK sitting and consolidating right there at 34. Again, I'm waiting for that to go down. XPOD treating me nice today. It's running. I do expect it to run again tomorrow. And then, of course, space. Slow decline. I do expect it tomorrow to go down to the 20s. But that's all I've got for y'all, fam. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means everything to me. Please leave a like, subscribe, and join us in our Discord. Link is down in the description. And also let's support the channel with our subscribe star, and that's also down in the description. We got a whole plethora of links down in the description, as well as the software that I'm using, BLNK Pro, which is one of the fastest news scanners there is out there. This is BLNK Pro is how one of the people in our chat room played KODK from the 2s to the 6s before anybody else started really seeing it. And that was because of BLNK Pro. And then also check out Robinhood and Webull. Choose whatever broker you want, but if you use the link down below, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, everybody's happy. I mean, I love it. But thank y'all so much for watching, fam. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.